this baby open. Am I supposed to pull on this? Sure. Sorry, that's really loud. Really loud. Okay. Show some directions for how to use it. Nice. Okay, the video is going to be all about me opening this up and getting it out of the package. Okay. Ooh, static. Lots of static in here. A little score tool. Out. I'm supposed to just, woohoo, there we go. Got some thingies here to stabilize it. Don't know what that's for. Okay, so a little speck of dirt. Get off there. Okay. Flip for scoring. Flip for scoring. Okay. All right, and this. Here's your trim tool. What's that for? Should read the directions, right? What is this for? Oops. Was I supposed to do that? Okay, did I break it already? Uh-oh. Should have read the directions. What is that for? Okay, I flipped out the thingies to stabilize. This is something. Oops, sorry, blocking your view. This is something. This little thingy was for something. I don't know if that was supposed to come out. See? I broke it already. I don't know. Figure it out later. Alright, so did I get any paper ready? Of course not. Alright, so measuring thing, 1 inch to 12 inches. If you're expecting a professional showing of this trim scoreboard, you're not going to get it here. These are centimeters at the bottom and millimeters. Interesting. All right. Should we score something? Or cut something? Let's see. Let's just, of course, my scrap paper. Okay, I will be right back. All right, I have a piece of paper now. It's just a thin paper, And this actually lifts up, and it's magnetic. So let's just see. I'm not sure about the measuring, how to measure it yet, or whatever you're supposed to do. I'm not sure what this is for. So let's see what I can do. Okay. Woohoo! All right, look at that. Looks like a pretty clean cut to me. Here's the piece I cut off. Itsy bitsy little piece. All right. Okay. Put your blade back up there. Okay, let's take this same paper and score. Score. Okay, your inches go from 1 inch all the way to 12. So they don't start 1 inch to 12, they go 1 inch to 12 that way. All right, so say I want to, let's see. Okay, I have it lined up with 1 inch here. So say I want to score it at 1/2 inch. Over here, it shows where to put my, I don't know if you can see that. Oopsies, I broke it again. I broke another piece off. Remember, this is not a professional review. All right. Because I've never used one of these before. Let me just look at this. Does this, that really evens up nicely. That's where I cut the paper. So it lines up very nicely here along this edge. All right, so say I want to score it at, let me just line that up better. Say I want to score it at 1/2 inch. I can put my scoring tool there. Let's see. Follow along the line. And not sure if you can see. This is the back. You can see my score line. Maybe I should have went over it twice. I don't know. Wow. Okay. That's a score line. I folded it. You know how I used to do it in the old days? Like last week? I would take a ruler and I would measure like 1/2 inch, mark it with a pencil, 1/2 inch, and then I put my ruler along there, leaving it up, and then fold like that. So there's my fold, and it's folded, but it's really not as nice as what the scoreboard does. Yay! So, yeah. So far, so good. Except for this little piece. Where did this little piece come from? Oh, yes. It came from up here. And I'm going to have to figure out how to get that back in there and why it popped out and what's it for and stuff like that. I am going to have to do that. So anyway, that's my demonstration for today of this piece of equipment I've never had before. But you know what? The stabilizer seems to work quite well. These things. And I'm not sure what this is for. I better not pull on it because I'm going to pull it out and not get it back in or something. Alright, so that's my demonstration for now. Thank you for watching. Remember, this was totally unprofessional. It's just playing around with a new toy. Alright, thanks for joining me.